Meron kami po. Oh, Abigail. I will dry up our clothes in your dryer. No. Hi to the 20 viewers. Hit the like. Bibi, mahugas ta. Wait guys I need to wash our pan first. Then I will be back 1 minute only. 1 minute only. Wait ha. Dida! Kau! Message later on when the answer to my question. Yes, okay. Okay, big brother. Hello, Abigail Rose. 21 viewers. Hit the like. Di lagi magkarga-karga sa misay. Good morning, Mrs. Angie and family. Good morning, Sir Michael. How was your day? Good morning and good evening to you, Sir Michael. What's dinner for tonight, Sir Michael? Oh, labot na po na bugas. Anon luluto mo? I cook egg because my eldest son he didn't want to eat our leftover chicken from last night. So that he said that he want me to cook an egg for him. So I will cook for him. My day has been great. I hope you have a great day also. Yeah, Sir Michael. I have a great day today. Even though I'm annoying to my to my clothes that's flying away to the mud. It's because of the windy last night. So that I will do laundry again. But it's okay. I'm fine. Angie, do you have to be live to get your watch hour? Do your recorded video count as watch hour? Do live, Sir Jeff. Then sometimes I recorded for about like the